Hello and welcome to today's episode of TSARP. I'm your host, Andrew Weir, and today our co-hosts are Sam and Steven.
I'm back again.
Yeah, you
Hi,
haven't been
Steven.
here, but
Oh yeah, fun fact.
you're here for a great
I'm
topic
gonna.
for the first one back.
I
It's
love
iOS
today.
18 is getting a brand new Vison OS inspired UI overhaul. This is very exciting. I feel like this is what I was talking about yesterday, Sam. When yesterday, if you haven't seen that episode,
You were.
there's the new iCloud app for Microsoft has like a complete Apple UI, and I was saying how much I like the Apple UI. Now Vison OS, which I haven't really seen the UI of yet, but until now, now that's going to be all over iOS 18, I assume iPad OS 18, so I'm very excited. I do have a picture here for everyone. I feel like this is kindergarten class, like, all right, class, look at the board, but here you go.
Here's a picture.
This is it. This is what it's going to look like. Again, it's very modern. We have some transparency like all over, which again you see a lot in Vison OS, which is why we really have it here. Most of it is similar, just a lot of like as you can see on this image and this one, a lot of things are transparent. But anyway, I really like how this looks. Sam and Steven are really the TSARP graphic designers. So what do you guys think?
I think it's very nice. The way, I don't know, there's something about it, and it's just nice on the eyes. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think, Sam?
Also, it kind of looks like Mac OS
Mm-hmm.
a little bit.
Yeah. Sam?
I think the rounded corners with the shadows make it look a lot more welcoming and friendly from the current UI. So I like it.
The best thing when I learned HTML, the best the best command, the best line of code in HTML is border radius, okay? Because when you do border radius, then you can set how many pixels, and then that rounds the corners of everything, and it's so
Oh,
nice.
I love this one.
But yeah.
You taught me that one, Andrew.
Yeah, I know. Steven knows a little HTML. Sam, if he ever leaves Hatch, he might explode.
I do Python now.
No, I mean,
That's-
like, you do, but, like...
It's mandatory.
Yeah, exactly. All right, before we get into our speedrun topics, which we've got a lot of exciting ones in here, some having to do with AI, some more about Apple, I believe. But let's continue on. We got a tech fun fact. 10 years ago today, Flappy Bird was removed from the App Store. I forgot that it was removed. Now, you can still get it, but they're all like knockoffs. They're not the original Flappy
Yeah.
Bird. And of course, you could get them online. And then, of course, you can get the ones made in Scratch and Hatch. But yeah, so you could still like get
And
it from the App
Python.
Store.
And in the in the European area, you can sideload it.
Yeah, like, do we still have, like, the files for the original one, or is it just gone?
Someone probably does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, yeah, maybe we'll be able to sideload it in the EU. Let's just fly over there. What if you fly to the EU, right? And then turn on your phone. Does it just, it's like, oh, now you're in the EU, here's all the features. It's just like...
I think maybe your phone has to be registered from the EU.
It's got to probably be made and meant for the EU, like models meant for the EU, and it has to be that specific model. But all right, like I was saying, we got a lot of speedruns to get through, but I'm excited for this.
Scary fast.
Scary fast. We have Sam Altman, everyone's favorite man.
That's
me.
me.
I didn't know. No, that's a different. That Sam, the Sam right here is not Sam Altman. You know what?
That is not Sam.
No, not even a little bit. You know what I didn't know about Sam Altman? Like, he used to be, I believe it was the president of Y Combinator, which most of you won't care what it is, but they are really cool venture capital firm. But what's cool about him is he met with Elon Musk like 7 years ago, and I saw this video. I was like, wow, that's crazy.
That's crazy.
I'm trying to look this up now. What did Sam Altman do at Y Combinator? But anyway, yeah, so he is trying to raise an unbelievable $7 trillion for AI chip manufacturing. Because I believe this is a separate company he's in, right? Like he's doing a lot of things. But this is for, I believe, not OpenAI. If it is, then it is. But like $7 trillion. Like who has? No one has
we
$7
do.
trillion.
I mean,
That's how
the
much
U.S.
is in
has
the
like
TSARP fund.
Yeah.
Oh,
You're
yeah.
right. Maybe we should invest, Sam. But
the U.S.
besides-
also has like $30,000 in debt.
not 1,000 trillion.
I mean trillion.
Trillion.
Sorry, guys.
30,000.
I'm getting used to smaller numbers.
What? You're not used to smaller numbers?
Yeah.
Got it. Yeah, so anyway, yeah, even Apple, the whole company, Apple is the largest company in the world. They are valued, not the cash they have. They don't have cash anywhere near this. Just what they are valued as a company is only $3 trillion. So he wants basically some investor to give him 2 apples and like
I can give him 2 apples.
2 1/3 apples. The company, not the fruit.
Wow.
But yeah.
Can I have a
that's,
quote delicious?
What?
I like Granny Smiths, to be honest.
I just like the apple. Like when you think of apple, that's what I want. You know?
So
I
you
don't
want a gray apple with a bite taken out of it
No,
and
like-
a detached
That doesn't
leaf?
sound very
I don't
sanitary,
want an
Andrew.
old lady giving me
Yeah.
a gray apple. All right.
Who said she has to be old?
So, also this is crazy. An Apple car engineer. Didn't you know Apple was making a car? Most people don't know this. Anyway, an Apple car engineer was handed 120-day prison sentence for stealing trade secrets. He faces 3 years of supervised release following imprisonment, alongside
Wow.
146,984 restitution bill. That's a lot of money. Yeah, like I don't know. Like,
That is a lot of money.
what secrets
That's
did he
more money.
steal? That's a lot
Bad
less money
ones,
than
I
say
guess.
multiple
Probably the
ones, but-
fact that they're making cars.
Yeah, but like I
No.
think we knew that.
Well-
Like we knew that. But
A
like
little bit.
but probably like or was he stealing them for Apple or stealing them from Apple?
I'm pretty
Maybe
sure.
from.
Okay. Yeah, I assume. But yeah, that's crazy. I don't know like what do you like why? Like Apple knows more
Money?
than other car makers? Like they're making their first car. They haven't even released a car yet, but yeah. All right.
We haven't even
Um,
seen a picture.
Yeah, no real pictures yet. All right. The Copilot icon will appear and animate in the taskbar to indicate that Copilot can help. This is exciting. So, Steven, you want to talk? You got the Copilot today. The Copilot.
Oh,
Really
yeah,
cool.
I
You can
did.
fly a plane.
I can fly a
Congratulations.
plane with a co-pilot.
Sam, do you still
I
not
wouldn't-
have it? Because I've had it for months.
No, I don't know how to get it.
I don't know.
It just randomly appears for you.
for me, I got
Aw.
it randomly appeared like months ago.
Mine
so-
appeared this morning.
I searched Granny Smith. Okay, did you know the lady from TikTok's name is Granny Smith?
Who?
You don't know
There's a
that
lot of
lady
ladies from TikTok.
That old
There's
lady
many
from
ladies
TikTok.
on TikTok.
That old lady
Linja?
from no. Her name's Linja, not Granny Smith. Anyway, there's this old lady
Well,
on
that's-
TikTok.
her
There's a
name is
lot of
actually
Granny
Lynn.
Smiths.
But
What? What are you
her
saying?
name is actually Lynn. But, you know,
Yeah, I know.
She's a
But
ninja.
her name's not Granny Smith.
it should be.
No, this is Granny Smith. Anyway, she makes your apples. But back on the apple
Wow.
topic, I just like the red ones. Okay, that's what I want. I don't want any fancy schmancy Granny
which
Smith
red one?
apples. Like the red ones.
There's a few red
the
apples.
red ones.
You mean Red Delicious?
No. Anyway, also did you know we hit 203 subscribers, everyone? Isn't that fun?
That's a lot of
That is
subscribers.
a lot of subscribers. We need more. Everyone subscribe.
You guys should subscribe.
You should subscribe. Go subscribe right now. All right. Apparently, Pinterest announced a new ad deal with Google as it approaches 500 million a monthly active users. The acronym was right there, but I couldn't figure it out. All right, 500 million monthly active users. We talked about this before, but could you imagine if TSARP had 500 million active viewers? I don't
That'd
think
be crazy.
I guess Mr. Beast has
No.
that. Yeah.
Well, I mean,
What?
does he?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I mean, it makes sense. He's like the biggest YouTube channel
I
now.
bet he does. I bet we could calculate, but I don't want it. I bet he does. All right. Bet MGM. If anyone watched the movie, every time I talk about movies, I'm gonna start yelling at Sam. Sam. Anyway, the movie Ocean's 11, which is a very good movie, but Sam doesn't
I know
watch
that
any
movie.
movies I recommend, so he doesn't care. Anyway, it was about robbing the MGM casinos, which I believe it was MGM, right? MGM Graham. I don't know my casinos.
I think so.
Luckily,
You
no, you
don't?
don't. You have no idea. You probably watched 2 minutes of it.
No, I watched 10 minutes of it, but in different parts.
Oh my god. The running joke is that Sam said he watched The Social Network. He did not. He watched 5 minutes of it after I recommended it to him. Then he came to me the next day and said, "Oh, I watched that." No, he didn't. All
Technically.
right, anyway, BetMGM, which is the online version of MGM, betting and gaming platforms, is apparently going to be partnering with X. They're gonna have sports betting on X. I mean, what X wants to do is basically be everything imaginable. That's what they want to do. They want to be sending payments,
Everything
betting, maybe maps one day, maybe, who knows? It's just supposed to be everything. And this is Elon Musk calls it the everything app, and this is just a step there. But Sam, you can get your betting fix now on X.
Yay!
That was a joke.
I have a gambling addiction.
No, that was a joke, everyone. I hope you know that. All right. Actually, I couldn't tell. Instagram and Threads will no longer proactively recommend political content. I didn't know they did this. I know there's been controversy on all these platforms, all these social media platforms, but I didn't know I'm not in it. I'm on YouTube, and that's where TSARP is, and
And
we're
we're
not
on TikTok and Instagram.
Well, before this, maybe we should just become a political news. No.
Oh, God.
No, never.
Instagrammers.
Instagram. We're Instagrammers now. All right.
The super awesome Instagram podcast.
Yeah, there you go. But yeah, so
TSARP.
basically they did that, and now they won't. Don't worry, everyone. Also, Elon Musk is thinking of discontinuing his phone plan and using X for all audio/video calls and texting. Yeah, because we talked about this. Now on iOS and Android, you can make video and audio calls, but not on computer yet. But maybe one day. But
I'm going to
really?
call you, Andrew.
Maybe I should do that. Maybe I should be like, Mom, Dad.
Andrew, I should call you.
No more phone. Yeah, call me Andrew. That's what you should do.
Hi, Andrew.
Hi, Andrew.
Didn't you know? Most people don't know this. On Discord, my username is Andrew is my name. Isn't that crazy? I know. Honestly, crazy.
Did you know your name is Andrew?
Yeah, I did. Honestly, I did. I changed my status today on Discord to TSARPing. I really like it. I think it fits me very well. But apparently, Sam and Steven couldn't see it today. But I think I fixed it.
And then it reappeared.
Then it reappeared. All right, NASA found a super Earth called TOI 715b. It's 30 to 70%. I don't get this. How is it that much of a range? But anyway, it's 30 to 70% bigger than Earth, and it orbits its star in the habitable zone. It is 137 light years away. If you didn't know, the habitable zone is basically means that we could live on it for the most part. But yeah. It's a super
I
Earth.
think it's pretty cool.
Is it? But how do we not know how much bigger it is? Do we have pictures?
I honestly
know.
couldn't tell you. We just gotta ask NASA.
And
Yeah,
how
we
did they
should
see
ask
it?
NASA.
Wait, if it's 137 light years away, do you know what that means?
It's extremely far.
It's far away.
It means we're looking at it currently. When we look at it, that means that we're looking at it 137 years ago. Isn't that crazy?
That's a long time.
Did you know?
When we take the microscope and we look real deep into the planet and we get a picture of it, that's not it currently. That's it 137 years ago. All right. Yes, Sam.
Did you know that a year on that planet is only 19 days for us?
Oh
Why, 'cause
my
it
gosh.
orbits their sun so quickly.
Yeah, I guess so.
Oh wait, I have a thingy.
Yeah,
It's
a picture?
POI 715B, right? That's what it is.
Yes.
All right. Yes, I have a NASA picture. All right. This is it, everyone.
A NASA picture.
A NASA picture, not
It's
a regular
just a
one.
picture of the NASA office.
This is NASA. No, look at this.
That
This
does
is it.
not look like Earth.
No, not even a little bit. But it does say it's a super Earth. It's 3.7 Earths in mass. It was discovered in 2023. Was this not today?
I
No,
saw
it's a bit
it today.
Orbital.
It was a bit ago.
Okay.
More information was released a bit ago.
Got it. 16.3 days is its orbital period. Wow.
You mean 19.3?
But what did I say? 16?
16.3.
Okay, I get my 6s and 9s messed up. I also get my 11s and 13s messed up. Okay, but it happens to the best of us, everyone. The best of us.
Does it?
Andrew's the best.
I'm the best. And if you do what I happen to also do, you are the best. You know that. Steven, we talked about the skill dash yesterday, but we didn't get to talk about your experience because, well, you weren't alive.
Oh, my experience.
Yes, your experience. Would you like to go over it? Would you like to add anything?
I took too long in my story and made it too good.
Wow.
Yeah, you spent so much time on that.
Yeah, I wish I spent more time, because mine did pass the first few times. Oh, after...
You kept submitting the same name.
Yeah, I know. After I got angry not angry. After I had criticism on the mentors, of course, Kidoyo and mentor Melora, both liked the tweet on Twitter. I'm like, oh, great, they might have watched the episode. But I mean, I'm not angry if they do. I just, I had some criticism. But yeah. All right, wait, Steven, do you have? Oh, you want us to look at your?
I sent a link to my story.
Let's take a look
if you
at
want to
this.
watch
A story about a bunny
Oh,
getting
no.
a lollipop and a. Okay.
I was
I
supposed
want
to say,
ball
and a basketball.
lollipop. Oh my god, you put way too much stuff into this. Want to buy
See?
candy? What? No,
Want a ball?
Steven. Like, what?
MVP.
Yeah, I got my ball and lollipop.
This would definitely hold the territory for a while.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
like, why?
It's not a skill dash project.
I didn't have any movement
see-
in mine. I didn't have any
Yeah.
custom backdrops. I
See,
didn't
my
have any
problem is
custom
that I get too creative.
Stop.
That's
Turn
not
it
good.
off. Turn off the creativity.
Kick him off the team.
Bye, Steven. Bye.
We're not on the team. But
Oh no.
You should see mine,
Let's
Steven.
look at.
No,
look
I
at
don't want to
Sam's
see
here.
yours.
Okay, let's
it's
see.
so much
Story.
better.
First, we went to the carnival. Then we went to play outside. Then we went inside. That's it, Steven. That's it.
That's a terrible story.
And I was a
Ugh.
bit
More like-
generous by drawing a custom backdrop.
Yeah, you even drew a custom backdrop. First, we went to the carnival. I was going to say first we went to the carnival, but I couldn't spell carnival, so I said outside.
We went outside to a big tent.
Yeah, to a big tent. Yeah, I would show mine, but like that's a lot of work.
Show it.
Ugh, fine.
Show it.
Um,
Show it.
Yeah, I should I see inside Sam's project? Guys,
Yes.
Betty's in mine. Isn't that fun? Let's see. This is Betty.
Boo.
First, we went in the woods. Then we went to the bedroom. Then we went outside. Wait, guys, I realized I can share my screen for you guys now because we're not in the stage. Look at that, everyone. Now you can see what I'm
Well,
doing
I see on
live.
your
guys.
screen.
I mean for Sam and Steven, not for you guys. You guys saw it the whole time. Okay, let's go back. I want to look at Steven's code, everyone. Let's take a look at Steven's code. Let's see inside.
Ah, yes.
Wow. Why?
That's so.
Why?
That's-
This code is ugly, though. I gotta admit, you kind of... I don't know. Wasn't great. But you made ugly code, and you made a horribly overcomplicated project.
Also, why is the sky purple?
Yeah, honestly, are we in,
Why
like,
is
Candy
the
Cane
sun red?
land? Or, like...
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, why?
Why not?
Why does a bunny
Fair enough.
talk and want a lollipop also?
And
Have
what
a
the bunnies
ball.
are
I
like,
want a ball and a lollipop. Why? Why?
Oh, if
Where
you
did he
didn't
come up
notice,
with
he stole Eric's arm too.
yes, I know.
Literally.
Wait, I want to see this. Wait, want a ball?
This part gets a little messed up.
He stole his arm. That's awesome. All right, everyone. Well, that is our skill dashing projects. We had more, obviously.
Guys, who won that again? I forgot.
It wasn't anyone.
The real winner was me,
Sam's
because
on
I
mute.
finally won.
I put Sam on mute. Now he can't say he won.
Wow.
All right, everyone. Thank you all for watching, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye. Oh, wait, no. There's no tomorrow. We will
Not
see
tomorrow.
you. We will
I
see
got
you
coding 8.
on what day is that? Monday. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, everyone.